Our multi-layer PCB is available in 1 to 16 layer varieties, 2mm plating thicknesses and 2 ounce copper thicknesses. It can be made of FR4, Teflon, aluminium, copper and steel materials, a plating thickness of 0.1 to 6mm and a minimum copper thickness of 1/5 of an ounce. What's more, it can feature a line width of a minimum of 0.075mm, a minimum drilling aperture of 0.1mm, and a minimum punching aperture of 0.9mm, and tin, gold, silver plating, OSP, and other types of pad surface treatment. This item undergoes electrical testing and comes RoHS directive compliant. For more information, contact us today.